What are you eating? Rice?
Secret because if I'm telling, maybe you're laughing. Sana all.
Not my
Yeah.
photography.
Okay, I'm telling you, ha. Don't laugh, ha. Promise, ha. Don't
Don't.
laugh.
Yeah, yeah. Don't
Okay.
worry. I can. I can join. I can
I'm
join with
eating.
you.
What is this? I'm eating banana. Oh, with rice.
It's on kind of bread.
Thank you. Shukran.
With different type of fruits.
Rice, banana, and chicken.
Oh my
Wait,
god.
that's good. This is good stuff. Or
And tea.
You you are
ano hindi?
eating
That is Mia Mia.
Naan.
right.
Number one, what is your work?
Yeah. I work
Multan.
I work here Dhaka in a private company.
Multan.
Right. Right
MULT.
now I live in Dhaka. Dhaka is capital city of Bangladesh. And
Sa
here,
Dhaka that.
Multan.
Dhaka in the Bangladesh.
yeah, yeah.
Where is your wife? Where is your wife? You're single?
What do you think about me?
No.
I'm single or
Married.
married?
No, you're s- you're single because you're in the big. Because if you are married,
Baby.
no.
No, you are wrong. I'm married.
You're married, then why you're in the big big? Your asawa is not jealous.
Naan.
Something, something.
Or something, what is something,
Not
something?
nothing.
Tell me
Not
now what
nothing.
is
Not nothing. Something, something.
something.
Yeah.
How about number one? How old are you?
I am 20. I am 33 years old. And you? 30. Honorable host.
Come.
How old are you?
I'm auntie.
How old are you?
Arba'in.
I can't understand
Oh,
Arabic.
Shiba. Oh, what did Shiba say? Kalos. 45, I say.
Oh my God.
Arba. Auntie nga, auntie. Not Lola. Then going to Lola. Tama ko.
Yeah.
Come, Bazura.
But I can't think who is elder than me. Auntie. That's friend.
Oo nga, auntie. Auntie
Tama
nga,
ba?
auntie.